Good morning, everyone. My name is John Klepper, CEO and co-founder of PIPRA. And I want to ask a rather provocative question. Are hospitals dementia factories? So this is my mother. A few years ago, she went to a rather prestigious hospital in Switzerland and had a routine surgery and woke up a very different person. For days, she saw monsters coming out of the walls. She thought the staff were trying to kill her. She was terrified, suffering from post-operative delirium. It's the most common post-surgical complication that affects nearly 1 in every 4 patients over the age of 60. And it has serious long-term consequences. 38% continue with long-term cognitive decline, typically dementia. A fourth, 25%, die within a month. And if you have delirium, your chances of getting dementia go up 1,400%. Lucky for my mother and my family, my mom made a full recovery, despite the terrifying experience that she had. But many don't. Despite being able to have very preventive, very effective prevention strategies that work, the problem is that hospital staff don't have enough time to roll out these measures to every single patient. They need to know which patients to focus on. So there exists technology now through AI that helps clinicians identify which patients are at high risk, like my mother, dramatically before surgery, like on admission to the hospital. And that helps reduce stress and workload for nurses, length of stay and adverse outcomes for patients, and improves bed availability and reduces costs for hospitals. And we were able to reduce the incidence actually now almost 20%, a full day almost of length of stay reduction, and 4 times reduction in nursing hours already. And we're just getting started with what we're able to do. Dementia is expected to double by 2050. Here in the UAE and in Qatar, the number of dementia patients is expected to rise by 1,800% by 2050. We have the ability now to reduce delirium, which will have the effect of reducing dementia. We need to be able to act now to ensure that patients like my mother and our loved ones leave the hospital better than when they arrived, not worse. Thank you so much.